What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2019 Toyota rav4 4-cylinder XLE. That's what this is, but we got an engine air filter right down here, so something like this you should change every 15 to 20,000 miles. So we got a filter here, PTC, and that's the part number right there if you guys want to find this filter. But anyways, filter housing is right here. It's very simple. So first of all, we don't want to stretch this line right here, this cable here. So this smaller tab right here, if you push down on this tab right here, just put your finger right here, go down at it, and this thing just comes right off. And then you got this clip right here. So all you do is you put your finger right here, your thumb, you just push this back. My camera's kind of dirty, let me clean it off. There you go, that's better. So same thing here, all you're gonna do is push this back. So this one is this way and that one is that way. And then you're gonna have to grab this filter housing and you're gonna yank it upward like that. But you're gonna be pulling these out by doing that. So all you do is you pull these off and the whole housing just lifts up. So remember, the cable, we don't want to yank that cable. So you grab your filter, just pull it out. This filter didn't look so bad. But anyways, right in there, if you got any leaves and stuff, clean it off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little guy and we're gonna slowly, gently take this filter down there. Make sure you seat it properly up. This filter housing just fell. I'm with one hand, so it's a little bit harder for me. But make sure your filter sits flush just like that in there. As you guys can see right there. And then reverse procedure, you want to get this ends, both of these legs in there just like that. And then the filter housing should sit flush. You just hold this and you push down on the filter housing and you close the clips. Every 15,000 miles, do that, you're done. Pretty much just snapping them right back on. You're gonna take this little guy. Remember, this is what we was pushing back on. And now we're gonna just clip it right in. That's it, bada bing, bada boom. This is job well done. Thank you for watching. Under 2 minutes, we changed this filter, and something like this you could do at home. And I also got a video on oil change, how to reset the refrigerator. I'm sorry, I was gonna say refrigerator. How to reset the oil light inside and the cabin filter. So thank you for watching this video.